Even to this day, I keep my phone on all the time because if something goes wrong, you're up there to support the teams. I'm Rajeev Nair. I look after the infrastructure and cybersecurity for Cathay Pacific Group. Our airline is 80 years old, so you can imagine there is a lot of legacy services or applications. I joined Cathay in 2011. Having 5 to 6 major incidents in a day is considered to be the norm, and things like MTTR is like 4+ hours. So pretty bad shape in the sense that teams were mostly in firefighting mode as opposed to looking at fire preventions or enabling the business in the future technologies. That triggered the need for further investments around IT and the need for change. We wanted to shift our services into the Elastic Cloud. It was one of those components which was still dependent upon our on-premise. So it fully supports our cloud-first approach. And we also wanted to break the silos. So we wanted to collaborate better. We wanted to have a centralized logging capability where we could ingest all our data points into one single platform so that the teams could have a common language. With Elastic, we have an early signal when something goes wrong or something is not going as expected. And that is where Elastic comes into picture, where now we started monitoring booking as a function from an observability perspective, so that all these data points are stitched together, so that if something goes wrong, we are able to easily identify, oh, this issue is being triggered because of the inventory. We can start focusing around addressing that inventory issues as opposed to, say, capacity issues on the website, which is just a symptom or an outcome. We now have clear visibility around monitoring some of those critical business functions, and that is where we see the value.